Why work with Darren Copeland? If you're buying a home, refinancing, or investing in real estate, one of the most important decisions that you'll ever make isn't the house, it's who you trust to help finance it. And not all lenders are the same, and not all advice is created equal. So today, I want to explain why working with Darren Copeland at Summit Lending makes a real difference and why the mortgage broker model matters more now than ever. First, let's talk about experience. I've been in the mortgage industry since 2003, and that means I've worked through multiple rate cycles, boom markets, tight markets, uncertain markets. I've seen what works, and more importantly, I've seen what breaks deals. Experience matters because mortgages just aren't math. They're timing, they're strategy, they're problem solving when things don't go perfectly, and rarely do things go perfectly. So let's talk about ownership. I'm not just a loan officer, I'm the president and CEO of Summit Lending, and that matters because ownership creates accountability. There's no corporate script, there's no call center handoff, and no mystery decision maker behind the scenes. When you're working with Summit Lending, you're working with a team that I've built, trained, and aligned around one goal: clear advice, strong communication, and outcomes that make sense long after closing day. This leads to the biggest difference of all, the mortgage broker model. Most consumers don't realize this. Big banks and retail lenders work for one institution. They have one menu, they have one set of rates, one box that you must fit into. A mortgage broker is different. At Summit Lending, we work with multiple lenders. That means more loan options, more pricing flexibility, and more strategy. We don't just sell one product. We help you choose the right one. That flexibility matters whether you're a first-time buyer, a veteran using his VA benefits, or a self-employed borrower, or even an investor scaling a portfolio. And here's why that's important in the real world. Because every borrower is different. Income structures vary, credit profiles vary, and goals vary. The best loan for your neighbor might not be the right loan for you. Working for a broker allows us to tailor the solution instead of forcing the borrower to fit in just one loan. That's not convenience, that's strategy. Another key difference is education. Here at Summit Lending, we believe that clarity reduces stress. You should understand why a loan is recommended and how it affects your long-term plan and what the trade-offs are, so there's no rush decisions, no pressure tactics, good decisions coming from understanding and not urgency. Let's talk about communication. One of the biggest complaints buyers and agents have is silence. Calls are not returned, questions unanswered, last-minute surprises. That's just absolutely unacceptable. We focus heavily on communication because it prevents problems before they even start. Real estate transactions involve multiple moving parts. When the lender communicates clearly, everyone benefits. Buyers feel confident, agents trust the process, deals close smoother. So let's zoom out a little bit. Why does this matter to you? Because a mortgage just isn't a transaction. It's a decision that impacts your monthly life, your cash flow, your future options, a slightly better rate, a smarter structure, a better strategy. Those things right there compound over time, and they start with the advice you can trust. So here's the bottom line. Working with Darren Copeland at Summit Lending means experience through multiple markets, direct access to ownership, broker level flexibility, clear, honest guidance, and a team built around the outcomes, not volume. You don't need a lender who just processes paperwork. You need a partner who helps you think clearly. If you value transparency, strategy, and long-term thinking, that's exactly how we operate. And here's the final thought for you guys. We treat every customer like it's a future 5-star Google review. Referrals are the lifeblood of our business, and we take this very seriously. It's all about making new friends and earning future referrals from them. If you're interested in working with me here at Summit Lending, you can reach out a couple different ways. One, you can reach me here at the office at 816-268-4025, or you can visit our website at www.summitlendingusa.com.